So here's the deal. I started my journey as an Amazon influencer back in 2020. And through the years, I have always wondered about all the changes Amazon has made. And if I had to do it all over again and start from scratch with this new normal, could I duplicate my success or some form of it? Don't get me wrong, I am very grateful to have hit six figures in 2022 only after 2 years in the program. But if I had to start all over again, starting in 2024, like I see many people doing, can my success be duplicated? Like, seriously, the influencer program has changed significantly from 2020 to what it has become in 2024. There is so much online advice about how to start and make money as an Amazon influencer, and I found it very overwhelming. There is little proof that their strategies will work in 2024. Luckily, I'm taking over someone's brand new account and applying my strategies to see how much commissions I can generate monthly until December 2024. Now, step one, knowing what I know now, the first thing I would do is to bookmark these three websites. The first one is the Amazon Creator Hub, which is where you manage your videos. Now, don't worry if you're like, I don't have any of these links. I got you. You will find all of the links in the description box below. Now, this is the page everybody knows and loves because this is how you're going to get to on site commissions, which is one of the goals in the very beginning when you start the program, but not the only one. This is where you're going to put those first three videos to get Amazon to accept you into the program. Now, we're going to go to the second link. So, knowing what I know now, the second bookmark I will want to have is your storefront. That is the Amazon.com/shop whatever the name is you gave for your account. So here we have it. This is your storefront. Mine look a little different because I wired out some identifying information, but you get the gist, right? You want to put in your picture or your logo, your name, the banner. This is a page you're going to always utilize. So you definitely want to have this accessible on your phone and also on your computer, your tablet, laptop. I mean, everywhere you're going to be using your devices to get into the influencer program, you want to have these bookmarked. Now, the third link I definitely would have bookmarked is going to be the commissions summary page. Now, I want to make it clear Amazon has stated that they do not want influencers to show their profiles like this, but I'm going to do my own thing. Just don't follow in my footsteps, okay? All right, so this page right here is very important because why? First of all, you're able to see how much you're going to be paid for that current month. But let me make this clear if you're doing any kind of commission work for June, you're not getting paid for June. No, no, no. You get paid 2 months prior because Amazon want to make sure anything that is being purchased by a customer, if they have any kind of returns, they are going to deduct that from your overall commission balance. Two, you're able to see exactly what products are making you the most money. This can help you with your strategy. You can look at the items order. You can go right ahead and download some reports. This is a very, very helpful page. And you can look at your history of earnings. You can go back a year, month, day, weeks, quarter. You are very much in charge of seeing what is working and what is not working to help you make the most money. Getting accepted is one of the things many people are finding to be a struggle. Knowing what I know now, Amazon does not care about follower count. They care about engagement. So you want to have an account that has a lot of engagement. What does that mean? Well, if you have thousands and thousands of people coming to your account every single month, that is something Amazon cares about. For instance, if you are looking to get in through TikTok, you want to make sure that your TikTok account has videos of 200 or more views. Any other video that has less than that, you want to put it as private so it's taken away from your account and it doesn't go against your metrics. For YouTube, if you have a YouTube account that has multiple videos and you have maybe 1,000 followers, but you have 20,000 monthly views. That's a good thing. I got into my original account with only like less than 2,000 followers, but I was getting about 50,000 plus views every single month on my videos. So think about it in those terms. If you don't have a high performing video, mute it or make it only available to you or invisible because those videos can work against you. But on TikTok, especially if the video is not performing well with views, make it so that only you can see it so that it does not hurt you when it comes to getting that average up. So when Amazon pulls that data, they see, okay, you have a high number of people coming and look at your account, you have a good engagement rate, and that can help you get in. Case in point, right? So here is a YouTube channel that I allowed them to utilize to get their own account. And this account only came from my original Amazon influencer profile because I shove and upload all of my influencer videos onto this YouTube channel because people be stealing. It's a thing. So remember that. And also, this could help me make another source of income. So, knowing what I know now, I would look for an account that's similar to this, have 2,000 followers and over 30,000 views a month. They only care about the engagement. Do you have a lot of engagement? If yes, make that account one that you use to apply for the program. This is what you want to aim for. If I was starting over, before I start posting videos, I would do some research, and here is how. Now, before I start posting videos and any kind of content, I need to know how much I'm going to make each sale. And this is where looking at your rate card is very important. You're going to go to your commission summary page, click on account setting, and view your rate card. This will help you identify which category will give you the most money back per purchase from a customer. It also will help you make more money out the gate if you have more products in the higher percentage area than the lower percentage area. Product choices is very important before you start making your actual review videos. Why? Because I do believe, from my experience, blindly posting products is a no-go. It's definitely going to set you back in the very beginning, and you want to have a solid foundation to build upon while being an Amazon influencer. We just talked about the rate card. Yes, you want to look for the highest commissions possible, but you want to continuously find the products in those categories that you have on hand, meaning, and you don't want to be doing no photos in your videos. You want to physically have the product. Maybe your mama got it, your best friend, your cousin, an Airbnb you're going to be at the weekend, a hotel. I mean, anywhere there's a product that's on Amazon that you can show your fingers and hands touching and talking about, that's what you want to do. Is the product popular? Do people buy this? Are they constantly buying this? Are they leaving comments? Is it showing that this is going to be a great option? Because if no one is buying it, what's the point of making a video for it? That is what I've learned, and this is what I'm going to continue to do in this new account. Opportunity. I'm going to review the sales page. Is there an opportunity for my video to actually show? Is there a lot of influencers on there? Is there a lot of brand or seller videos on there? Are their videos great? Are there anywhere I can insert myself to make a video that's going to be interesting than what's already on there? This is what I have to do with research. Product choice matters when it comes to making content. Now that I got all that information, it is time to create and post my review videos. As a new account, I know one thing I'm going to not do that I did the first time in 2020, which is ignore idea lists and also photos. I'm not focusing on live stream. I'm only focusing on shoppable videos. I'm going to also make curated idea lists with no more than 30 or 40 products because I have seen people complain that there are so many products listed. I want to make it easy for them to browse and then also shop. I'm going to see if I have the ability to click on the option to have Amazon advertise my stuff as well. Now, after all of that, I now need to wait for my first 3 videos to be accepted by Amazon. I have already posted some photos of those products, and I'm now in the process of creating idea lists with different things. 4th of July is coming up. They have a big sale coming up. So I want to focus on trying to get as much out as possible that's quality and that's worthwhile so that I can maximize my sales and hopefully jumpstart how much I'm making my first month.